Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to reset your iPhone. When I mean reset your iPhone, I mean factory reset your iPhone. So that basically means wiping the entire phone clean and giving it to a brand new user like a family member, or if you're i.e. selling it. So what you're going to do today guys is we're going to go into settings. We're going to go through all this real quick so you can get this done with, so you can just get on with your day and sell your phone. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into general right here. You're going to scroll down to the bottom and you're going to find transfer or reset iPhone. You're going to click that button right there. Then scroll back if I'm going a little bit too fast for you guys, or pause the video example. So what you're going to do is if you've got a new iPhone with you and you're going to transfer stuff from A to B, so the A is your new iPhone, B is your old one, what you're going to do is you're just going to hit this button right here, and then it's going to prepare everything, and you're going to have your phone next to this phone so it can basically do ping like that, and then you just press get started. Use the same Gmail account example, and then if you don't want to use the same one, then iCloud, you just press continue, get started, and then it'll do that. Right, so if you want to just erase your phone, give it to a family member for example, or if you're just selling it and you just want to start fresh on a new iPhone, what you're going to do is you're going to hit this button at the bottom right here, erase all content and settings button. Hit that, and then you're going to erase everything on this iPhone. So make sure you've transferred everything you want to your MacBook or your PC or another disk or your iPhone via AirDrop, because once you do this process guys, you are never ever gonna see anything from this phone ever again. So I'm just gonna make that clear right now. Make sure you transfer everything you actually want, like photos and videos, the important stuff, before you do this step. If you haven't backed everything up, make sure you do a final backup, even though it says it, just because like you'd be gutted, wouldn't you, if you lost really valuable like photos and everything like that. So make sure you do one final iCloud backup or transfer everything, check it's all there. Once you're good to go guys, hit that continue button, and then it'll say one last time, are you sure you want to erase all media content settings? This cannot be undone. You're going to press yes once you've done the iCloud backup and transferred the footage, and once you press that button you are never going back. So there we go. We'll give this a sec to load, and then we'll get on to the next step. Right guys, so basically it's turned itself off now. It's done that quick little erase of everything. It's going to hit itself back on. I forgot to mention, if you're going to be selling this onto on eBay or something, put it on eBay to someone else, make sure you sign out of your Apple ID before you do this process, what I'm doing right here, because otherwise when you sell the phone, it will come up, someone will try to sign in with their Apple ID and they will not be able to sign in because you have not removed your Apple ID. So make sure you remove your Apple ID before you do this process if you're selling it onto eBay or someone else, for example. Otherwise you'd be in a bit of a pickle. Right guys, that loading bar has now gone. We have now seen the hello page. Hopefully you've done all that correct. Make sure you transferred your stuff, sign out with your Apple ID and all that stuff. So this is basically how it's going to look if you're getting the phone out of the box brand new for the first time, if you're giving it to someone else or selling it. And then there you go guys, that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then you know what to do, all that stuff. Thumbs up, subscribe. I'm not going to ask for that too often. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, tell me why. And then that'll be all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.